In this video, I will guide you on how to turn on two-step verification on YouTube. First, launch open the YouTube app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on the account name at the top. Now from here, tap on manage your Google account. Now you need to head over to security. Here find the option of two-step verification. Go ahead and tap on that. Now sign into your Google account if prompted. Now review the available verification methods such as passkey, Google prompt, authenticator, phone number, backup codes. Then tap on the turn on option at the bottom. Follow the on-screen instructions, choose your preferred verification method and complete the verification process. Then tap on done once the setup is complete. Two-step verification is now enabled for your Google account and your YouTube account will have extra security protection. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.